Number 7, Rose BBL. Me curves. Alright, burritos now, so social media TikTok persona Rosalie recently announced that she will be going through a transition, a weight loss transition. Now, immediately when me hear the story, me are like, alright, then so Rose is plus size and she should on TikTok 24 hours of the day and she do her matches them and all kind of something there, and people know her for her very argumentative style and her viral moments, right? And so me I look on the video now, me I like, boy, Rose, I would be here for this transformation, because this, I think should have come on the show on TVJ when him losing it, because that would have been a moment. But like this now, I can't wait to see the look, like the transition, because she been a talk, so she want to get rid of the big back and the belly and all kind of things, and the things that should have end up go. What the place name again? What the place name with all of the designer body, design. Well, all of the girl them come on and them go do them designer body. I can't remember it now. I feel like it have design in there.